Kimono in we building.
Yeah, man.
Wale.
One man.
Everything is everything.
Okay, welcome, sir. We appreciate that you enter with studios today.
I give thanks. I give thanks.
First and foremost, the thing where they worry in my head, you know, so you got about 6 albums to your name. Maybe
7.
About 7 now.
Yeah, man.
Where you don't use you actually use talk about different social ills for inside with society. You talk about appetite. You talk about other things. Now I want to know the upcoming generation of artists where we get for inside we Obodo Naija now. What do you feel talk about their kind of music?
Kind of music is good. We all cannot be singing about war, pressure, appetite, and them thing, yeah? So what they have is good, but what we're saying most to them is they should still curtail the profanity. Some of them say a lot of profanity, and which is not. If we are saying off camera, if my music was not good, your dad who used to chase your mom. You know what I mean? Then if my music is not good, you probably won't like to play it over and over.
Yeah.
So, but most of these youth nowadays, if the music, you probably won't play it for your child next year because it's too profanity. So we're saying, try and mellow down about profanity and sing about reality of the time. We know that we all cannot be talking about the reality. Like some man they say, sing about Jesus. We all cannot be talking about Jesus is nice, Jesus is good, praise the Lord. No, man. Some man of today who have to talk about the east of society. Some man who are as a reggae musician, a Rasta man, me did as a watchdog. Watch man and who do good, who do bad, fire burn, and we have to talk about it. You know, so so but you them we say, okay, curtail your profanity so that tomorrow you can have a legacy tomorrow.
Now, let me ask this particular question as regards to reggae. You feel, say, reggae artists that they actually do you proud? Because as far as I'm concerned, you're now one of the pioneers of reggae music for inside Obodo Naija. Let's look at the likes of the Cynthia Morgan, the Patoranking. As in, you feel, say, we they get new reggae artists for inside Obodo Naija, will they do well?
Well, I would say they're dancehall artists.
Yeah.
They're dancehall, Patoranking, Cynthia Morgan, Oge Kimono. Okay. They are dancehall artists. Yeah, but dancehall come out of reggae. Reggae is the root of all. Yeah, because heartbeat. All this tune come out of reggae music. It's not good, but you know, because as a youth, they want to wiggy jiggy, and you know, they get like somebody you play one love, one up. Man, it's too done. I remember style.
It's too done.
So they say they want something. Check. But wait, as time goes on, they find out that you cannot continue without our truth. You have to make people listen to what you're saying and listen to, you know, mellow down. And think reggae music is supposed to be a comforter.
Yeah.
It's not really for dancing and drinking and smoking and thing. It's supposed to be a comforter. Sometimes you think the whole world is under your on top of your shoulder, and you play reggae. You find out that, hey, yo, I have a problem, but next my problem is bigger than mine.
Yeah.
See? So that's how reggae is supposed to be like. So but you then who play dancehall now, yeah, it's all good, but maybe with time, slowly, gradually, they will sing, come into reggae and do the right thing.
Okay, according to research for me, they say reggae artists or reggae songs makes you a lover. How true is that? Because the likes of Reverend's Hart, Tyrone Rawlings, Tracy Morgan Heritage, them Lucky Dube and co.
Yeah.
They sing love songs, Busy Signal. They sing love songs.
Yeah, man.
I think.
Yeah, but Bob
is it true?
Marley did sing love song too. Bob Marley say, yeah, shine your light down low. You know, it's a love song. But when they're singing love song, they're not singing profanity love song. They're singing Jah love song.
Okay.
See, there's been a Jah love song than sexual healing song.
Okay.
You know? Some man they sing sexual healing. Then some man come out and say spiritual healing. No one deal with that because if you sing that, I'm gonna kill you, man. I'm gonna kill you.
Where Patoranking sing Daniela White. Come and start singing about politics. Hello.
You know what I'm saying?
kill
You know
you.
what's up again?
The politician won't call you for sure.
Yeah.
Even when they're having a party, private party, even your music is good. Now they all respond. Oh, please, don't play that man here. Over abuse politician. Last one I did, why I go on them? The Mickey politician. Hey, Wazobia FM, the number one.
Yes.
They play that music off the hook.
Yes.
For the person to hear. But guess what? They never listen. They're like dogs who don't even listen to music. Yeah, so that tune, if they hear it and they want to party, you want to call that man? No, don't bring him here, man.
We don't want him here. That's where they attack us.
All right, me ask you a question now.
Go on,
Talking
ask
about
me.
your hair.
Yeah, man.
How
Go
old?
there.
How old? Like
It's older than you.
Wow.
It's older than you. Trust me.
Is that no?
You ever cut it? Will you ever cut it?
No, I never think of that.
Wow.
I never think of that. Somebody just ask me if they give me X amount of million, will I cut it? Then I ask the question, right? Okay, if you give me $1 million to cut this hair, right?
Yeah.
$1 million. I'm not saying naira.
Yeah.
$1 million. And I'm off the studio. I'm driving with happiness. Man, $1 million. And before it come bridge, boom, accident happened.
Wow.
And accident happened. Terrible one. The baby cannot even kill me.
Yeah.
It's the next one. I left flying abroad. And abroad, I'll be probably on a stretcher for 6 months. Can't get up. That $1 million I'm paying from that $1 million. And $1 million gone. And I'm still not up. And my head down. And oh my God. Then what will I tell God at the end of the day? I sell my soul to the
for
devil.
$1 million.
$1 million.
Because of $1 million.
Look, I just asked you, Shapali.
All right, we actually need to buy a small break right about now. When we come back after this break, we want to talk about Magic Fashek because we just fit his story here. And as we get the legendary artist inside the studio, we will talk more about him. So don't go anywhere. Now still talk, and we come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.